Hi, I'm going to show you how to make bubbles in PowerPoint. So when you make it, it should look something like this. I've just got an image here. I've got a background, and actually I've got the girl as a separate image, but if you can find one that you like that's all together, that's good too. And I'll get a circle and hold down the Shift key, and I'm going to make some changes to this. So I'll go into Shape Styles. I don't want a line on it. I'll go into the fill. I want a gradient. I want to use the preset color. I'll use the calm water, and I want this to be radial, and the direction I'll do from corner. And then I'm going to go down to the 3D format, and I'll do the bevel at the top. I want that to be round, or the circle, and I want that to be 50 width by 50 height. And I'm under the surface, I'm going to go under translucent to the clear, and then under lighting I'm going to go under special and put glow, and I'm just going to make this 65 degrees. So I've got my bubble now, and I'm just going to move this down and size it down so it looks a little better. And then I'm going to go into my custom animations, and the first thing I want to do is add a motion path. So I'll go under motion paths, and I'm going to draw a custom path. I'll just use the scribble tool, and I'm just going to make like an arc. That's pretty good. I'll just do that after previous, and I'll leave that as medium. And then the next thing I want to do with that is go under emphasis and grow shrink, and I'll change this to fast, and I'll do this after previous. And then the next thing I want it to do is to fade away when I'm done. So I'll go to Add Effect, Exit, Fade, and then I want to do this with previous, and I'll do that fast as well. So when I play it, kind of looks like it breaks at the end. And that's how you do a bubble.